How to add a hook to your fishing line without cutting your fishing line. Come up your fishing line about 8 inches. Fold your line over like this and make a regular knot. Like that. Now straighten your line out, and with your left hand reach across the right and grab the line with your middle finger. And with your right hand, with your middle finger, reach across to the left and grab the fishing line. And you're going to have this X here. And you're going to have that loop you just made directly underneath. Now you're going to wrap these two lines around each other 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you're going to bring this loop through the lines you just wrapped together. And you're going to pull that loop through the lines just so that knot is just coming through. You're going to wet your line and pull each side tight. There you have the T-knot. Now to add your hook, you're going to put this doubled over line through the eye of the hook and bring the loop over the hook. That's how you add your hook to the middle of your fishing line without breaking your fishing line.